Okay, this is actually the control panel. This is like the controller. This is where the technologist comes and fixes that KVP and adjusts that mass, which is the milliamperage second, and the KVP is the power, the kilovoltage, in order to adjust that contrast and the density so we get some beautiful pictures. And there's actually a window here where they can look out and make sure that you're okay while they come back here and take that picture, and you'll be able to see them from the other side also. This is the work area. And not all of them look the same, but there's some computers there to view your images. There's also a processor right over here where they insert the cassettes in there and process your film, and they show up on this computer screen right here. So let's look at some radiographs here. This right here is a radiograph of both hands they actually x-rayed. If you come closer, you can see all the fine detail. Your fingertips, your wrist bones right there, which are called the carpals, your radius and ulna, which is part of your forearm. And you see that little bone right there? That's called the sesamoid right over here. Not everybody has those. And sometimes what the radiologists do is get really close and get a magnifying glass to magnify and look and make sure that there is no fracture on any of your fingers or your wrist bones or your radius and ulna. And these markers up here, that's the R for right and left. So it shows the doctor that that's your right hand and that's your left hand. And sometimes the doctor may not want to get both of your hands done. Maybe it's probably just going to be the left or the right. And in that case, it would just be this much of film and just your right hand, or for example, just your left hand. And in this image, you can tell the contrast is good. It's black and white, and these outlines right here around your bone, that's your tissue right there. Now this right here, these are ankle x-rays. You can tell right here it's very white. Not enough density and contrast. We don't like that because we can't see your bones in your foot here. We can only see your tibia and your fibula right here in this joint. This one's just a little bit better. You can see the bones of your foot there just a little bit. It's a lot better than that one right there, and that's what I mean by contrast and density. Those are really important factors when x-raying. And by adjusting those, we would have to use the different KVP or different mass. Usually the mass is changed. Either it's doubled or cut in half. Or we have to change the SID to get that recorded detail. And this is the radiograph that has the best recorded detail.